Co-working spaces daw, grabe, alam nyo ba, ito yung business na gustong-gusto kong simulan. Kaya kung meron kang funds dyan, meron kang building dyan, tara, simulan na natin, i-manage natin, i-market natin, i-DM mo ko. Joke lang. Alam nyo guys, before, kung kailangan natin pumunta ng offices para makapagtrabaho, iba na ngayon. A lot of people are actually working from home, kumikita sila kahit nasa bahay or even work from anywhere. Kahit nasa bakasyon, pwede nang kumita ngayon. Kaya itong mga taong work from anywhere, naghahanap sila ng matambayan. Here, they can work, they can meet with friends or colleagues, and eat and drink, at marami pang iba. Sino ba yung mga tao na work from anywhere? Ito yung mga virtual assistants, remote workers, content creators, consultants, business people, influencers, at marami pang iba. And guys, ito sila mostly, except yung remote workers natin, mostly they are self-employed. And itong maganda, itong mga self-employed na to ay kailangan magpa-register ng businesses nila. With that, kailangan nila ng lease of contract para magkaroon sila ng business registration. Sige, park muna natin. Bakit ko sinabi to? Itong co-working space kasi, aside sa kikita ka sa drinks at sa food, kikita ka rin sa daily passes. Ito yung mga tinatawag natin na walk-ins. Aside from that, kikita ka din through monthly memberships. Imagine mo sa isang tao, for example, meron kang 100 members at meron kang 5,000 pesos per member. Monthly ha. So you have 500,000 pesos for the monthly memberships. Iba na yung kinita mo sa drinks at foods. Iba pa yung kinita mo sa mga walk-ins mo. Meron ka pang monthly income na 500,000 pesos. Ito pang maganda. Make sure na yung co-working spaces mo, meron siyang meeting rooms, yung private, kahit dalawa lang. For example, sa isang meeting room, 8,000 pesos yung bayad ng mga customers for that. And 3 to 4 hours na yan. I-times 2 mo lang, that is 8 hours per day, for example. So, ibig sabihin, sa isang araw, meron kang 16,000 pesos. With that, kung ita-times 30 days mo yan, you have 480,000 pesos on top of the 500,000 pesos. O, diba, ang ganda? Tapos, ito pa, meron ka pang yearly income na kung saan yung mga self-employed na to ay naghahanap ng virtual office. Yung isang na-inquiran ko doon sa BGC, nasa 32,000 yearly yung bayad ng mga self-employed na to. Imagine, meron ka lang 50 na self-employed na mag-virtual office doon sa co-working space mo. 32,000 times 50, you have 1.6 million pesos. Multiple streams of income ang nangyayari dito. From drinks and foods, to daily income, to monthly, to yearly income. Eto pa, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, multiple revenue streams? Pwede ka pa magkaroon ng podcast studio na kung saan pwedeng mag-rent yung mga tao. Pwede ka din magkaroon ng photoshoot or video shoot studio na kung saan sobrang sikat ngayon at kailangan ng maraming tao. But again, there are things that you have to consider. Before starting this kind of business, you want to make sure that you have a very strong community. You have a good location, you have a fast Wi-Fi connection, you have a large area. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito ang community. Kung wala kang community of these self-employed people, I tell you, this co-working space is something that I cannot recommend. But if you have this is a very perfect business for you. Kung ikaw at ako ay magkakaroon ng co-working space, tatawagin natin tong TEH, The Entrepreneurs Hub. Wala lang, napaisip lang ako kasi sabi ko sa inyo, gustong-gusto ko talaga tong business na to. So, bibigyan pa kita ng isang way kung paano mas kikita. Aside from this aside dito sa mga in-explain ko sa'yo, di ba kumita ka na ng 1.6 million because of that binayad sa'yo ng mga self-employed people na to? Yung 1.6 million na yon, kung ako sa'yo, maghanap ka ng warehouse na kung saan pwede mong ayusin at gawin pickleball area. Ba't ko naman sinabi yun? Siyempre may community ka na, may pera ka, andyan yung mga players mo. Maghanap ka na ngayon ng warehouse na pwede mong rentahan at gawin mong pickleball area. O, diba? So, dito pa lang sa co-working space na to, I tell you, this is a very good cash flow. Kung you're interested with this kind of business, this is a good business, a good way for you to earn as long as you know how to operate, you know how to market, you know the do's and don'ts of businesses, then this is one of the best businesses that I could recommend sa'yo. Bye!